Hello everybody, today we can see about Mindray A1c kit. Here we can see the product name A1c kit, Hemoglobin A1c kit, enzymatic assay method. What is enzymatic assay method? This A1c kit works on the enzymatic assay method, which is highly specific and accurate method. Here we can see enzymatic assay method. Then we can see twin test. What is twin test? Twin test means this kit performs two tests from the same sample at the same time. Here we can see the other languages name. Then here we can see the Reagent 1 into 40 ml, Reagent 2 1 into 50 ml, pre-treatment solution 1 into 200 ml, calibrator 2 into 1 ml. Here we can see the reference number of this product, then lot number, then expiry date. Here we can see the manufacturing of this product. This kit contains one instruction manual. We should maintain this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This is a C certificate IVD product. This is the overall representation of front view. Here we can see the other angles. In the top angle, we can see the brand name Mindray. On the other side, this is a plain side. On the back side, we can see for in vitro diagnostic use only. On the other side, we can see in the bottom, we can see the manufacturing details. See the brand name Mindray. This is the overall representation of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. On the top, we can open. The first one, we can see instruction manual and quick value sheet. I'm going to see the first one is instruction manual. In this instruction manual, we can see the cat numbers, package size, and other information. On the top, we can see the generic name Hemoglobin A1c kit, enzymatic assay method. Then we can see indent use summary, reagent preparation, calibrator preparation. Lot of stuff in this instruction manual, and this instruction manual contains lot of languages. See, this is another language. So I'm going to keep this aside. The second one, we can see value sheet for Mindray BS measurement system. Here we can see the calibrator's value. I'm going to keep this aside. These two are keep this aside. And the next one is Reagent 1. Here we can see the brand name Mindray. Then this is a C certificate IVD product. This reagent we can store between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This is a 40 ml and this is a Reagent 1. Here we can see the A1c. This is a 40 ml Reagent 1. As usual, we previously see that Reagent 1 is 1 into 40 ml and Reagent 2 is 1 into 15 ml. A pre-treatment solution 1 into 200 ml, then calibrator 2 into 1 ml. So we can see that the first one is Reagent 1 into 40 ml. This is a front view and this is a back view, and keep this aside. And the next one is A1c Reagent 2 15 ml. Here we can see the brand name Mindray. This is we store the reagent between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This is C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the reagent 2 symbol, 15 ml. This is the overall front view, and this is a top view of back view of this reagent 2. So I'll keep this aside. And the next one is A1c hemoglobin A1c kit, enzymatic assay method, pre-treatment solution 200 ml. This is a C certificate IVD product and it's from Mindray. And keep this aside. And the final one is this is the calibrators. Already we see 2 into 1 ml. This is the 2 calibrators. I'm taking one. Here we can see this is A1c calibrator. You should maintain the temperature between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This is C certificate IVD product. Here we can see S1 1 ml. And keep this aside. The second one is A1c calibrator S2 1 ml. This is 2 into 1 ml. We are going for summary. Today we can see the A1c hemoglobin A1c kit, enzymatic assay method. This kit contains instruction manual, a value sheet, reagent 1 40 ml, reagent 2 15 ml, a pre-treatment solution 200 ml, and calibration solutions 2 into 1 ml. Thank you.